Hello guys, welcome back to today's video on the different types of error on Excel. So as we said earlier, we have division error, NA error not available, the name error, null error, value error, and the others which we have the two we've not talked about. We have the num error, the numeric error, and the reference error. So the numeric error is when you're trying to write a formula and you have invalid number or numeric for your particular operation you're trying to do. So let's try to see if we have equals sqrt and see I'm trying to look for the square root of minus. If I'm trying to use get even on my calculator, if I try to check the square root of negative value, to definitely pop out error. So likewise for Excel, so it gives me the num error, so that's why I have the num error here. So for the reference, let's try to do example for the, let me copy this formula. Okay, so I paste there. So here, let me change that to 14. So here I get enable. That's not what I'm trying to do. So let me delete this column. No, instead I want to delete this column. So here, so delete this column. Say I got reference error because here I've gotten the column I'm trying to reference is that I'm trying to reference is actually not available. It's telling me that okay, I've mistakenly deleted my column. So if I anywhere you see reference error, you should know that either you deleted the particular column or the row you're trying to reference and the cell you're trying to reference. So that's why you get the reference error. So I think that's that on error types on Excel. So this video will conclude our tutorial on Excel error types on Excel. So to recap, I know to recap what I've discussed. So I said the div error is the division error when you're trying to divide by 0. The not available a formula when you are trying to reference a formula or a particular data that you cannot find the data in the formula. You cannot get access to the data. The name error when the text is not recognized, the text or the function, when you type the wrong function name, so you get the name error. Also the null error is when you have like a space instead of comma separated, instead of comma in your function or your formula. So the value error is when you have the invalid argument in your particular function or formula. The num error is when you have invalid numeric data type. So also the cell referencing is when we actually delete our column, the column or cell, the column, the row or the cell you're trying to reference, we mistakenly delete them or mistakenly hide them, so you get the reference error. So that is that. So I know the formula, the function I've been using on Excel, it might be kind of confusing for us now, but I promise we'll get to talk about the function I've just called the VLOOKUP and stuff. So just be patient and go with me on this video as it goes. Thank you.